The Crochet Provisional Cast-on. Make a slip knot with your waste yarn. Slip the knot onto the crochet hook. With your needle and yarn in your left hand, put the needle over the waste yarn. Yarn over and pull through or make a stitch. Move your needle over the waste yarn. Make a stitch. Repeat. Slip the needle over the yarn. Make a stitch. Repeat until you have all the stitches you need. Add a few chains off the needle. This is to show where you should start pulling out your crochet chain when you are done. Pull the end through the last chain. Now you're going to start knitting with your project yarn. Fold the project yarn over the needle and pull it through. Twist the end over the ball yarn and start knitting. The first row of the project is done, ready to begin row 2.